Welcome to another weekly market update. Today is January 21st, 2019. Well, good afternoon, good evening, good morning to you, wherever you are. This is another weekly market update where I usually just go to the market indexes and also the respected ETF. But before I do that, I just want to mention some of you might be aware of already that, and also have watched some of my live streaming video last week when I do a midday market update on my YouTube channel, basically between like 10:30 10:30 Pacific time, which is about 1:20 1:30 Eastern time, where I go to the market internal and the E-mini S&P 500 future, and also the NQ, the Nasdaq 100 E-mini future, and essentially go to that and kind of recap what the market has done during the morning session, and also get some idea or some scenario of what to expect for the rest of the trading session for the market. So if you are not a subscriber of my YouTube channel, then I suggest that you subscribe and also click on that notification, that bell notification icon. Then you'll be notified whenever I about to go live or I have upload a new video on my YouTube channel for your viewing. So so consider subscribing and also help me build up this channel, because one of the goals that I have this year for this channel is to try to get at least a minimum of 1,000 subscribers to build up my subscriber base. So okay, let's take a look at the transportation to start off with. Just a quick look at the Dow Jones Transportation. As you can see, it is continuing to move higher, and it is making a new recovery high, and it's sitting at 10,036.54. So I expect this thing maybe chop around and continue to move up to the next potential resistance level, possibly the 10,176.62. And then moving on to take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial. You can see the Dow Jones Industrial is also making a new recovery high. So so the key thing is, with the transportation and the industrial, we just want to check to make sure that they both are in sync, which they are right now. So they are both making a recovery high. And on the Dow Jones Industrial, the next potential resistance is somewhere around 24,965.77. So expect that to maybe try to get above that and reclaim this long-term trend line here. And if it can't get above that, then maybe we could see it pull back and retest the 24,014.78. And if we take a look at the ETF, the diamond on the for the Dow Jones Industrial, you can see that we have this little bit of a balance zone here, right? Okay, so basically looking at this area here, right? And so we see that it sort of kind of within this this range here, and right now it's getting back into this area. So basically looking to see would it be able to get above this 249.86, and toward the VPOX here, this composite VPOX at 253.55. And if it's unable to get above that VPOC or even get above this 249.86, and basically looking for this thing to possibly pull back and retest the 240.16 level there. Okay. And then looking at the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is also continue to move up, and is tagging this tagging this 2676.81 resistance, and we're going to see would it be able to get up to this 2710.51. That's the next potential resistance area. As you can see that it have moved above this retracement zone. And if we take a look at the SPY, which is the ETF for the S&P 500, Again, take a look at the range here. We're basically looking at this balance zone here, right here. You can see that it's pretty much been balancing here before it broke down and then come back. So right now it's entering back into this balance area. So we're going to see would it be able to hold inside of this balance area and move work its area up to this composite repark somewhere up at the 274 area, and see would it continue to move up into the top of this this balance area, or would it hit some resistance here at 267.76 and then it pull back and retest this 259.16. And if we take a look at the Nasdaq 100, let's go and take a look at the Nasdaq 100 index. And you can see that it also been moving up, and right now we want to watch this 6950.23 potential resistance, and also this 6631.06 potential support here. So we'll see would it be able to come up here and then maybe possibly move and chop around here a little bit, or get up to this 7158. Okay, and if we take a look at the QQQ, which is the ETF for the Nasdaq 100, as you can see that it is getting near this VPOX here, this composite VPOX at 167.54, and also we have this balance area. So it's pretty much into that balance area right now. See, so you can see that book, and right now as we enter this area here, so we want to see would it be able to get above this VPOX and then work itself up toward the value high somewhere up at this 174, 175 area. Okay, and if it can't get above that VPOX and come back down, then we're basically looking for the value area low, this composite value area low down here, possibly this 158 area, and also the 155 potential support get retested. Okay. And then finally looking at the Russell 2000 index, we see that the Russell 2000 also move beyond the retracement zone here and toward this potential resistance of 1531. So we're going to keep an eye on that, or would it be pulling back and retest this 1448.3. And if we look at the ETF for the one Russell 2000, which is the IWM, you see that the IWM is also came up and moving toward this 151.71 and the VPOX here at the 153. So again, we basically have this this little bit of a balance area here. So it seems to be moving back into this balance area. We're going to see would it be able to work itself up to this 158.17, or it's going to pull back and drop back below this 143.99 and come back down and retest these area here, this 135, or possibly retest the composite value area low near this 133 area. Okay, so that's basically the quick update on the market. And if you like this video and you find it informative, give it a thumbs up to let me know. And if you're not a subscriber to this video channel, like I said earlier, subscribe and also click on that notification, that bell icon, so you get notification whenever I'm doing a live stream video or upload a new video. So thank you for watching and have a great week.